So Agility Shipping, part of it is something called simple confirm shipping. So as the name implies, you need to be set up in the Macola world doing something called confirm shipping. And confirm shipping is a process by which when you mark an order and an item as updated, it automatically increments and decrements your database for that item. So if in this case here on this order, you're going to see there are 12 remaining, and here's 10 that are going to go with that. So in this case, I'm just going to mark these items for confirmed shipping. So this is really helpful, especially if you're using ShipGear or Starship or another product. Not everybody wants to use Agility Shipping. I get that. And if you're using a different third-party system, you can still use WiSys Simple Confirm Shipping to send somebody out in the warehouse with a pick ticket and have them mark those items as shipped. Then turn them in to the shipping department, let them pack up the order with ShipGear or Starship, and that order is ready to go. You've already marked those items as confirmed shipped, and those products will take care of the UPS order or FedEx, etc. What this does is it provides validation. So when you have the item on the screen here, it's going to validate that that item that you're going to scan is part of the shipment. That helps you get it right that first time, and that will reduce errors. And remember, you don't want somebody just to scan a pick ticket. You want them to actually scan a barcode label that's on the item on the shelf that they're grabbing. That way they're going to get the validation. And you'll see here there's a little button. You can actually print a packing list for the order. So let's go ahead and take a look how this works. So I'm going to shift over to my Macola database, wake it up, and I need to introduce you to a couple of applications. This is our desktop Agility Explorer. This application is designed to help you make decisions based on the orders you want to work with. I'm going to put that to sleep for just a minute, and we're going to take a look at my scan gun. It says I need to reconnect again. And I physically have my scan gun with me here. So there's the image of it. I'll just go ahead and pop up my camera here real quick. So that's me, and I'm using this physical scan gun here. I have to have it on an angle, otherwise the bright light will make it completely reflect away. But you're going to see me using this gun on this screen right here. So what I'm going to do is log in. And I am now using the Agility 360 application. I should mention that Agility 360 has been around for about 2 years now. Agility 360 is designed purely for Android, and it takes advantage of some of the physical functions on the handheld scanner. Could be signature capture, could be taking a picture, things like that. Nothing is actually stored on the gun. Everything is stored in SQL or actually on your computer on the server somewhere. So in this case, I'm going to slide down here to something called shipping. This is our simple confirm shipping application. So the first thing I need to do is scan my pick ticket. And then it says, what item am I going to go after? So I would go after that item. And here it's saying that I need 12, and I'm going to enter what I'm going to pick. So as soon as I do that, I've actually updated that sales order. It's now at status 7, and there's still more to go on this order. And so I'm going to scan another 12 for item B, and that order is now complete. So there's no more other items on this scan gun that I need to go after. So those are the items that are there, and those are the items that I've picked and shipped. Okay, so if you're sitting thinking that's really simple, that's what you're supposed to feel like. It's a very simple confirmed shipping application. Okay,